My name is Dan Morehouse, Product Manager with Chore-Time Equipment, and today I want to talk to you about the new Konavi Pullet feeder from Chore-Time. We have some exciting updates to offer on this feeder, and today I'm going to walk you through some of these features. Let's take a look. You can see that the Konavi Pullet uses the same pan as the Konavi broiler feeder. One of the main benefits is the low pan height, which allows birds access to feed from day one. We also have the same excluder that keeps birds out of the pan and keeps them from perching on the pan, which prevents them from raking feed out onto the floor, as well as defecating into the pan and into the feed, which helps prevent disease. We have some features that are unique to the pullet feeder, one of them being a newly redesigned two-piece top. This was designed with a little bit more durability that can stand up to the more aggressive feeding patterns that we see with pullets. We also have a newly redesigned cone that works in conjunction with the newly redesigned skirt that helps restrict the feed to ensure that we have the correct amount of feed for a pullet application. With the way this feeder was designed, with the new cone and skirt, it takes the feed from the feed line and pushes it all the way out to the edge of the pan. What this does is allows the birds to back up since they're eating from the edge of the pan. That gives them plenty of space to line up around the feeder. We tend to see calmer birds in houses equipped with the Konavi Pullet feeder, and we believe this is because of the fact that the feed is at the edge of the pan, allowing the birds to have plenty of comfortable eating space. Adding a new keyless locking design with dual robust hinges, a two-piece top for simple installs and worry-free cleaning, as well as features specifically designed to increase the feeder's performance in a pullet application. We're really excited about this new offering from Chore-Time. Visit our website at www.choretime.com or call your local distributor to find out more information about this Konavi Pullet feeder.